Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're just looking at the path of gold because over the last few sessions we've seen quite a big jump from when it dropped down below the 2000 level. This was quite a big indication that if we did see a confirmation break below this psychological level that it could keep on moving lower. It moved down to roughly about 1990, 1985 before we saw quite a big double bottom and a move to the upside. But that move to the upside has gone $40 to $50, which is quite remarkable, quite a big turnaround on gold, even though there was supposed to be quite a big sell-off on the yellow metal. But obviously geopolitical tensions still being heightened, and obviously with the fact that we have slightly still sticky inflation, let's say, we could see gold be elevated a little bit higher for a bit more time, especially with the Fed not giving us any more direction really, apart from that it will start cutting rates in the second half of this year, possibly. So let me know what you think about that. But for the meantime, let's just have a quick look on gold. We're just seeing now just trading above the 2030 area, giving us a bit of a psychological advantage that the kind of V-shaped recovery has been put into place here from this really sharp downturn that we saw only a few sessions ago. But since then, as you can see, really big movement to the upside. And now we're just waiting to see if we're going to have another move even higher than that. So a lot of traders are looking at these two swing highs that we had previously, roughly around the 2060 area. So that's another $25 to $30 to the upside, which isn't out of the question, to be fair, in the next couple of days. So if that does happen, expect some heavy resistance at this particular area, and then we could have another fall from grace for the yellow metal. Are we going to see 2000 being touched again? It is possible. Obviously, everything's possible in the market, but at the moment, with the big advance that has happened, it is a little bit unlikely we will see another fall anytime soon, just because, as I said, geopolitical tensions are still heightened and we are still having this high inflation as well. Not as high as it has been, but it still is a bit sticky, roughly around 3% year on year. The Fed really wants it down to 2% before it really starts signaling for some good rate cuts. Let's just take a quick look on the DXY. The dollar, and this was obviously my last findings. Let's just remove them. Now we're in a bit of a bearish run because of the ascending gold movement. So with that being said, we do have a double bottom on the RSI, so we are expecting a bit of a lift on price action on the dollar. It has been really subdued in the last few days because of the last couple of months we have had a really strong dollar, but since the last week it has actually started to move a little bit lower, probably due to the comments from the Fed that haven't really given us some good direction. So let's just see where this goes to. Obviously, we'll be seeing a little bit more of a weakened dollar, a little bit more possible move for the upside for gold as well. And don't forget silver, that's been moving quite nicely. So we'll look on them again during the rest of the week. And as usual, this video will be posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead. And until next time, bye for now.